Welcome to Intelligere. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to create sales entries without inventory using the single ledger option from the B2C section. Step 1. Start by selecting the sales entries module from your dashboard. Step 2. Choose the without inventory, single ledger option under the B2C section. This option is ideal for recording retail or consumer-based sales with a single party ledger. Step 3. Click on the upload file button. Select and upload your sales data file. Step 4. Once the file is uploaded, select your single party ledger and sales ledger from the drop-down lists. These selections ensure your sales entry is correctly assigned in Tally. Step 5. Your sales voucher entry will now appear on the screen. Review the details to make sure everything is accurate. Step 6. Click on the Send to Tally button. The system will now generate your sales voucher entry directly into Tally. Step 7. Finally, open your Tally software and confirm that the entry has been successfully created. And that's it. With just a few clicks, Intelligere lets you upload, map, and post B2C sales entries without the need for inventory tracking. Need help? Our friendly support team is just a message away. Call or email us using the details on screen. And don't forget to book your demo today. Future of Accounting, Intelligere.